Let's finish the tin can snowman together to receive this rusty look. Keep watching to learn about the secret ingredients that you almost always have in your pantry. So you're going to paint the tin can snowman first. Once it is dry, you are going to grab some Mod Podge and you are just going to dab that Mod Podge on to the tin can snowman. And this is our secret ingredients, cinnamon. On that Mod Podge that you dabbed on, you are going to dip your brush into the cinnamon and you are just going to dab it into the Mod Podge. That Mod Podge is going to hold the cinnamon onto the tin can snowman so that it will hold that rusty look. If you get too much cinnamon on there, that's okay. Just brush it off and it will give it more of a rusty look. Okay, after that, we are going to grab some wax finish. That comes in a can, and you can get this from Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, wherever, and you are just gonna dab that onto the cinnamon to give it more of a rusty look. Okay, let's keep finishing this cute tin can snowman. We're gonna grab some blush and a paintbrush, and we just apply a lot of blush to give the rosy cheeks, and then a thin Sharpie marker or a paint marker to fill in those lasered engraved eyebrows and eyes. Okay, then we're gonna add on the buttons and the nose and those cute earmuffs. The earmuffs, we got the textured look on them by applying some of our glitter snow and then painting over that glitter snow. Put it on the base and now you have a very cute, rusty old tin can snowman.